We're back. We are installing my tie rod, kryptonite tie rods. Got done powder coated. Pretty sweet. But we're going to be replacing these out, and wish me luck. Hopefully everything goes smoothly. It should, but we'll see. So we got the other one off. It's a 21 millimeter. It's nice when you have just impact wrench because you don't have to hold that top of it and do the nut. So, and now make sure when we do this is that when we take out the thing, the whole thing spins, so I can measure it to the new kryptonite tie rod. So do that, and I'm choosing a pipe wrench. Hopefully it works. If not, I shouldn't, but we'll see. Okay, so it's not that bad. That pipe wrench works wonders. There's the thing, but yeah, it's greasy. And I also recommend buying these Hardy glove things from Harbor Freight. Oh man, these are like lifesavers. They're pretty thick and super nice. And yeah, comparing that to that is like insane. Like no comparison, obviously, but yeah, it's very worn. Both ends are very, very worn. They've needed to be changed for a long time. And that's also my kryptonite sleeve. So comparing that to that, yeah, I'm ready for some beef. Okay, so my trick was I had it all marked out right there with a Sharpie, and got that side in. So I took the actual outer tie rod off all the way because I wasn't able to do it with it on. So I did was just took the outer tie rod off all the way and then just spun it on, just the whole thing. And that's the easiest thing. So made sure mine was at 42 centimeters or something like that. Let me see. Something. Yeah, like, I don't know, something like that. I remember now. What the hell is that? I remember, but I don't remember. Yeah, it was about 42. Yeah, 42 inches or whatever. I don't know. Anyways, I'm not really on it. But anyways, I have it all figured out. So do it. That's the way I did it. If you need help, that's, I just didn't want to take my tires off, and it's gonna get lined anyways tomorrow. So kind of why I'm doing it now. Okay, we're back. I'm just letting you know that we got these installed. They look amazing. But yeah, other than that, I mean, I might think we'll get it a little bit more aligned because it pulls to the right just a little bit. But other than that, it's like amazing. And honestly, I can't tell any like power or like how it handles, whatever. Does not makes any difference. And I haven't done any 4-wheel launches yet, but I'll let you know if I'll break anything. But shouldn't, and lifetime warranty, so they're amazing. Go grab some.